Hi everyone, my name is Lanita Williamson. I like to be called Lanita. One interesting fact about myself is that I have 17 rescue animals. I was raised on a dairy farm, so I'm used to having about 100 animals around me at any point in time, so having 17 is a small number in comparison. And then in regards to my cardiovascular resistance and flexibility training 3 times a week, I'm going to mix it up a little bit. I'm going to ride a horse once per week at a trainer's, and that session is an hour to an hour and a half long, and it does hit cardio resistance and flexibility. I'm going to go to a yoga flow class once a week, which is an hour long, and that will also hit cardio, vascular flexibility and resistance. And then I'm hiring a trainer once a week for about a 40-minute class that's going to work on, again, cardiovascular through running, resistance training through using the TRX, and then flexibility with different stretches. So those 3 things, should get my moderate intensity of 170 plus minutes a week. And then in regards to my spiritual and emotional, I am going to use the horseback riding to help ground me. That is something that I can do to de-stress. But I'm also going to be using aromatherapy and guided imagery at nighttime. So that's going to help with spiritual and emotional. And then in regards to social and intellectual, I'm a trauma-informed care educator, so I take a lot of classes and do a lot of training on that, and am constantly networking with other folks who have the same type of focus, which is considering how childhood adversities impact adult health. And then my one thought-provoking question to the ladies of the class who are older: how is menopause or perimenopause or premenopause actually impacting your health? Does it cause fatigue, depression, lability, sleep disorder, or sleep changes and patterns, hair loss, weight gain, initiation, your mood to actually take care of yourself? I know for me, I just came back from an integrative physician today because I've had so many health problems in the last year that Western medicine is kind of tapping out a little bit. It keeps me out of acute phases, but it doesn't help me get better. So they're going to be working with me and drew about 10 vials of blood and looking at all of my hormone levels and setting up a plan to help me try to reverse some of the autoimmune response that I've had this year. I have cysts in almost every major organ in my body. And then endocrine response this year with all of the symptoms that I just described. So we're hoping it's menopause. But I do know that exercise causes increased fatigue for me right now and a lot of pain. They have not told me that I can't exercise. They're still encouraging me to do so. But it means chiropractor, massage therapist, ibuprofen, heat packs, and ice packs after the fact. So it's just a real shocker for me because I used to be a size 6 and exercise multiple times a week, and now it's kind of like my life has just hit a wall. And this is, like I said, this is my first class back. If I didn't say that, I meant to say that. In several months because of my inability just to balance my health and all the other demands of life of being a parent and a nurse. And I'm a nurse Center for Medicare Compliance Coordinator and Manager, so it's a high-stress job. But anyway, I'll look forward to all of your answers and advice and thought processes and just networking with you guys through this class. And good luck to everyone. I hope this wellness journey makes you feel 100% better. All right, take care. Bye.